Welcome to the define phase, the critical first step in the DMAIC process. In this phase, Six Sigma teams move from understanding a basic problem to laying the groundwork for a successful project. Here, we create project charters, define processes, and establish project rules that will guide us through the Six Sigma journey. The project charter is your roadmap for success. It sets clear expectations for the team and leadership, outlines the scope of the project, and ensures alignment with the organization's goals. A well-crafted charter includes a concise problem statement, critical to quality, CTQ, metrics, and a list of team members and their roles. Let's take the example of a retail company that wants to reduce order processing times. The problem statement might read, order processing times are inconsistent, often exceeding the customer delivery window by 10%. This impacts customer satisfaction and increases operational costs by $20,000 per month. This simple yet specific problem statement allows the team to focus their efforts on measurable improvements. A clear project scope defines what is included and excluded from the project. It's critical to set boundaries early on to avoid scope creep. Use tools like SIPOC diagrams and the in and out of the box method to clarify your scope. For the order processing project, the in-scope items might include process steps from order receipt to final packaging. Out of scope might include delivery logistics and vendor inventory management. Stakeholder analysis identifies the people and teams affected by the project. From customers to sponsors, understanding their needs helps ensure the project's success. Clear communication with stakeholders keeps the team aligned and focused. For example, in the order processing project, stakeholders may include the warehouse team, customer service, IT for order tracking systems, and external shipping partners. Establishing ground rules early sets expectations for how the team will operate. This includes meeting schedules, decision-making processes, and conflict resolution guidelines. Clear rules foster collaboration and keep the team productive. For example, a ground rule could be, team meetings will be held every Monday at 10 a.m., and decisions will be made by consensus. Conflicts will be resolved by majority vote. The define phase is powered by tools like SIPOC diagrams, the is or is not matrix, and Pareto charts, which help teams clearly define processes and identify project scope. These tools ensure a structured approach to problem solving, laying a strong foundation for success. For the order processing example, a Pareto chart may reveal that 55% of delays are caused by 20% of the process, specifically the packaging phase. Before moving to the measure phase, Six Sigma teams must pass the defined Tollgate. This ensures all necessary steps, such as stakeholder identification, charter creation, and scope definition, are complete and aligned with organizational goals. With a strong foundation laid in the define phase, your Six Sigma project is ready for the next step, measure. Stay tuned to learn how data will drive your process improvement.